I'm gonna make you an apple martini. And it's not gonna be your typical martini. We're gonna put it into just a cocktail glass, little slice of apple. We'll do approximately 3 ounces of Ciroc apple. And we're making 2 cocktails with this. This will serve 2. We're gonna put in about 1 ounce of 99 apples. It's 99 proof, so it'll really kick that thing. It'll make you soar for sure. Drink responsibly, y'all know what I mean. Apple cider, about a cup. I'm gonna add to that just a splash of vanilla. And that's it right there. We're gonna get this guy covered right here. Get that on there. Give it a shake. And before we put our ice in our glass, we're gonna add just some of that beautiful caramel. I'm gonna put, though, just enough in the bottom of my glass to give it some love. We're gonna add our fresh ice right over the top of that caramel. Take our drink. Look at this. I want y'all to see how beautiful this guy is. Oh my gosh, that turns out so good. Then we'll take a fresh apple. You do whatever you want to this. Make your slice as thin as you can. Just like that. The last thing that I want to do to that, to make it look cool, I'm going to take just a little bit of allspice and just add it to the top. It's going to give that fair flavor. Man, just that love you want to go right on top of that. We did a caramel apple martini. It does not get any more fair than that.